Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new Sea Ray 270 SDX. So the SDX 270, new model from Sea Ray, comes with some options that weren't available on SDX models previously. Most notably twin Simrad screens. Before you could only do a single, and a power tower, and before you could only do it manual. So completely redesigned boat, wraparound seating, double wide helm seat, twin Simrads. Most notable difference is the walkthrough has been pushed over to the port side a little bit more, giving you a lot nicer wraparound seating up front, the ability to seat 2 people, really 3 people, facing forward. You do have your cup holders up here. You also have USB ports up here, which is really nice. But the big advantage of sliding this walkthrough over to the side is it allows for a much larger head compartment that also doubles as a small cabin space. Now, most of our customers are going to use it mainly as storage, but really, really nicely done in that you have a little bit of extra room there. Boat's going to perform really, really well. This boat's also available in a surf variant, so if you're looking for something that you can surf behind, the SDX 270 Surf may be right up your alley. Oversized bimini top. Bimini on top of this boat's going to shade right here from the front of the windshield back to even with the backrest. So really, really well done. Lots of shade and nice and tall. I'm 6'2". I can stand under it without any trouble at all. So if you got any questions about this or any other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.